Erny, look at this Snapchat filter.
No way! Wait, I have an idea of a video. Yo, welcome back to another video with me, Erny Vibes, and I have a special guest with me. Coco, yeah, that's my bro Sydney, and he's back here. He's back right now, and he's making a video with me.
Yeah.
Okay, so a link to all his social accounts will be in the description down below. Follow his Snapchat, follow his IG, pure content. Alright, so in today's video we're going to do something really amazing, and that's trying out great Snapchat filters. Snapchat filters we feel you people vibe with. You know the vibes, Erny vibes. Let's do this, yeah? Alright, so we have a countdown. We did a couple of videos, so they'll be on the screen somewhere. So once we're criticizing them with Sydney, Sydney, you tell me what you feel, and I will tell you how I feel about them.
No problem.
So that's how it's gonna be, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Alright. Okay,
We have Koi Fish by Juan Gonzalez. This filter is it's really cool. Basically, it just adds little freckles on your face, and this koi fish, I think they're Chinese or Japanese, I'm not sure, but they make you look cool, and you don't look that different. So I mean, you know the vibes.
Yeah,
you know the vibes.
That's for sure. I'm like seeing a lot of people use it. I'm like, I need to try it out.
Yeah.
And damn, it looks so good on you.
Yeah.
I'm sure it'll look good on you too. Try it out, yeah.
Try it out.
Koi fish.
And we also have neon devil horns, you know, for the good people out there. Come on. Yeah, this one's really cool.
No one's innocent, bro. No one's innocent.
I mean, just adds little devil horns on your face. You don't look that different, just dangerous.
And hot.
Yeah.
Alright, on my side, I have, is it Black Dream? I have Black Dream, and it's by Henry. Like, you know, like the black and white vibe, but this gives you like that. Okay, for me, it looks a little bit spiritual, you know, like there's like your soul trying to escape, and there's that fog and blurry type of vision. And you know, like imagine putting on some old black and white and taking some fresh pics in that.
Too.
Yeah. So Black Dream by Henry, and the other one I have is the VHS by Jay.
This is a like 90s vibe.
Damn, like same thing, you feel?
Yeah.
But like the color is so okay for me. I do not know how you would take it, but I think an outdoor would look extremely incredible too.
Really cool.
You know, so VHS by Jay is also amazing. Try it out.
Yeah.
That's so cool. All right. Yo, yeah. All right. We have like I have, because I tried it. I was kind of confusing though. I like this Snapchat lens, and it's called Layla, and it's by Hama Grandi, man. Okay, I just like the natural, like disclaimer about these Snapchat filters. I know you're trying to be something you're not, or you're trying to be flashy, and you're not trying to keep it real. No, it's just, I like to call it like just amplifying your beauty. You feel like you're just amplifying like a little bit of spark. Yeah, like that's what's already there. Like, I'm not saying change who you want to be, like change, you don't need like the plastic surgery. Like, yo, it's a new world. We're talking about the metaverse, and this is what we have to offer. You feel like it's an amazing vibe. Just try it out. So that's Layla, and I like the way it fits on me. I like the way it brings out my skin color, my skin tone. Black is skin, Black Lives Matter, you feel? So that's the vibe. My next one will be Black Day, and you know, I'm just rocking with the black, you feel? Just rocking with that energy. Black Day, and try out Black Day, you know, black and white. Yeah, people be like, it's old school, but you won't regret this one. Black Day.
Old school is new school.
Feel the vibe for real. Alright?
Okay.
So, Sydney, showcase your bag.
Face lighting. Face lighting. Now, this filter, what it does is just basically brightens up your face. There's nothing more to it. Just like that. Just like that. And you're looking cool.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, so I don't know the creator of the filter, but you easily find it.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Like,
yeah, and we have soft filter. Soft. This is like one of the coolest.
Soften that vibe. Soften
this
that vibe.
Top tier. It's top tier, and it has like a different color. It's like a purple, really cool. But you know, you still look like you. And your face looks cool. So. Yeah, I mean, yeah. That's basically.
Go try that stuff out.
Try it out.
Alright, so we have one, like, for my side, I have one more to mention.
Yeah.
Sydney also has one more to mention. But before we do that, take some time to pause the video. We have our Snapchat, I think Snapchat accounts on the screen right now. So take your phone out or take something you could use to scan, or just take a screenshot and go add us to your Snap. You know, just show some support and love, then it will really mean a lot. And just stick around. Our content is absolutely beautiful. Alright? Mostly like Sydney's active on Instagram. So follow him on Instagram too. Like, I want Snapchat, people. Alright, let's go. Alright, so here we go with our final Snapchat lenses. Alright, so my last filter will go to a filter name called Onyx. Onyx, or however you want to pronounce it, but
yeah, you will see the
you will see the name. Yeah, so what I like about this feature is that forwards SEXY, it makes me look sexy. It makes me look sexy. Yeah, I'm too sexy for this beef. Alright, so that's the thing, that's the vibe. So I like this feature. It's really amazing. I like it when my eyes are really small, but big eyes are awesome. Like, googly eyes are awesome, like yeah. Big eyes. When you're having fun, like, the kids like it. So, yeah. So try it out. It's an awesome filter. Follow the creator. Show some love. Show some love to this channel too. Don't forget to subscribe. Share the video to your friends. Share it mostly to the Snapchat people, the Snapchat community. Let's show some love. All right, Sydney, take the stage.
Okay. Right. So I have Adele by Adele.
Damn.
Yeah.
Adele by Adele.
I know. So this filter allows you to change your eye color, you know, from brown to green to blue.
Alright. To blue. Alright.
And black, basically, yeah. Your own, yeah, and black too. So just check it out. I mean, it's really cool. It's really cool, and it's got like these sparkles all around.
Just check out the video. Just look at the video, man.
Look at the video. It makes it look cool. It makes it look cool.
It's fresh.
Yeah. And I have a bonus.
What? Nobody mentioned anything about a bonus. What?
Bonus filter.
Alright. Yeah. There's a bonus filter, people.
By the same creator, Adele. Yeah. It's called Blaze.
Alright.
It's called Blaze. I mean, it's fiery. It's in the name.
Right.
It's fiery. It's in the name. It's cool. Just check it out. I'm sure you.
I feel like we can say Adele is the Snapchat creator of today. You know.
Yeah.
Congratulations, man.
You got it.
Keep up the work.
Find this video.
Yeah.
Find us.
And share it. Alright, so like I said one more time, please subscribe. Go follow our social links down this video. Some links will be around this video somewhere. And if you like the video, please share it to your gang, the squad, the clique, the family. You feel? This has been Any Vibes.
And Sid.
Boosty Yusum. Bounce.